Welcome to BotBee. BotBee has added a cool feature called canned response for WhatsApp and Telegram live chat. A canned response is a pre-written message that is stored and ready for use in response to frequently asked questions. Let's explore how to create and utilize canned responses. Let's go to the WhatsApp live chat from the dashboard. Option for canned response. Click on this option. Now click on Add New button. Give a name for the canned response. Then write the message. So now whenever we get a message about pricing, we can just use the canned response. Let's check. As we have already created a canned response for this kind of question. Just click on the canned response button and use the canned response. Now just click on the send button. That's all. Similarly, we can create and utilize canned responses for Telegram live chat as well. So this is how we can use the canned response for WhatsApp and Telegram live chat in BotBee. Thank you for watching the video.